Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a quick little tutorial on how I do my graphic eyeliner. I shared this on my Instagram reels a couple of weeks ago and I got a couple DMs asking for a full in-depth tutorial on it. So here I am today filming it for you guys. I've been doing this technique a lot recently. I just like how it looks on my eye shape. It makes my eyes look very angular and something about it is just a little bit more interesting than a typical wing. So I want to share how I do it and give you guys some tips and tricks. So if you guys want to learn how to create a graphic eyeliner like this, then please continue watching. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using today is the Uzi Eye Opening Eyeliner in the shade Black. This is my favorite eyeliner. It's a cruelty-free Japanese brand. I've talked about this eyeliner so much, especially if you watched my winged liner tutorial. I've talked about it there as well, but this is just the best eyeliner. I especially like the packaging because it feels like a pen, so it's much easier to grip, if that makes sense. And also the brush tip is very pointy. Formulation is very smooth as well. So this is just my favorite and the one that I'm going to be using today. So what I like to do is first align my entire lash line. So I know there's like a whole trend going on right now to only apply eyeliner at the outer corners, and you can do that, it will still work, but for my eye shape, and especially if I'm going to apply false lashes, I have to line my entire lash line, especially at the inner third, because my eyes are so curved that if I don't, when I put lashes on, there's gonna be like a huge gap here and it just doesn't look very good at all. Then I'm just going to draw my wing like normal. So I like to take it out from the outer corner and do one flick. And then I will connect it with the wing from the lash line. Once you look straight, you can see where my crease is right here. And this is where the crease ends over here. You pretty much want to draw a line from the end of your crease to that wing there. Using small strokes, you can see we sort of have it there. But I'm gonna go ahead and tightline. I'm actually gonna go in with my black eyeshadow and this winged liner brush from Laura Mercier. I actually hit pan on my black eyeshadow, which is exciting. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm just gonna use this to sort of smudge out and mattify the eyeliner. I think when it looks like this, for me personally, it just looks a bit too harsh. This part is definitely optional. You can leave it as it is, but for me, it's just my preference to smoke it out. So this is the final result of the eyeliner on this eye. You'll definitely see the final result once I pop my lashes on, and it really does come together. So I'm just going to quickly do this eye and then I'll show you the final result. And this, you guys, is the final result. I am wearing the House of Lashes Natalia Light Lash. They do have a really nice flare at the end. I think it really emphasizes the wing. It's just a really pretty lash to wear with a look like this. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of the graphic eyeliner. Would you rock it? Have you been rocking it? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, I would appreciate it so much if you could give it a thumbs up for me. It does help me out a lot as well. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!